In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Binance Unverified account. Let's dive into it step by step, ensuring you know exactly what to do and why each step is important. First, make sure you're logged into your Binance account. This might sound obvious, but it's crucial you have the right account page open. If you have multiple accounts or handle several logins, double-checking you're in the right place is always a good idea. Once you're logged in, head over to the security settings. You can usually find this option by clicking on your profile icon, which is often found in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, choose the security option. This is where we'll access settings that might not be immediately visible on your main dashboard. On your security page, you'll see a myriad of options. What interests us the most, for this purpose, is the Account Activity section. Spend a moment to familiarize yourself with what these options are. It's always beneficial to understand what you'll be updating or removing. Now, navigate straight to the Deactivate Account section. It's usually at the bottom of the page, so scroll down until you find it. Here, you might see a prompt or a button labeled Disable Account or Deactivate Account. Click on it. Before proceeding further, note that you will be asked to confirm your action. Binance takes this step very seriously. So, a prompt or a page will appear asking if you really want to proceed with the deactivation. Read this information carefully to ensure you won't need this account in the future. With your unverified account in view, you'll see some details about what happens when you deactivate your account. There will usually be a list of what you will lose access to, such as any associated digital assets and open orders. Make sure all transactions are completed and assets are transferred to another wallet if necessary, as this is an essential precautionary measure. Once you've read through and are confident you've backed up everything you need, go ahead and confirm your choice to deactivate. After confirming, you might be asked to verify your identity one last time. This can usually be done by providing a sent code via SMS or email, just to ensure it's the rightful account owner making this decision. Enter this code in the required field. After all these steps are completed, your unverified account should now be deactivated. You might want to log out and try logging in again to confirm that the process is truly finished. It's always satisfying to see that you've successfully completed an account deactivation when you no longer need it. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now equipped with everything you need to delete an unverified Binance account. Thanks for watching, and remember to manage your online accounts responsibly.